Go to the Windows 10 download site. The link to the site can be found in the PDF of this presentation. We want to create Windows 10 installation media, so select Download Tool Now. Save the file. Once the file is downloaded, use your File Explorer to go to that file, double-click on it to execute it, and start the media creation process. Accept the license terms. And the next thing you'll be presented with is whether to upgrade the current PC or create the installation media. Select installation media. Don't upgrade your PC. Hit next. Then it's going to ask what kind of architecture you want to download. You want to make sure it says 64-bit. It's going to be based on the PC that you're running this on. So if it isn't correct, unclick the Use Recommended options and make sure you have 64-bit selected. Hit Next. And select a USB flash drive for where the media is going to be created. You can also do it on an optical drive. Make sure that the correct removable drive is showing up. Select it and then hit Next. Remember that all the data on that USB drive will be destroyed. Okay, it will take about 20 minutes to do this, but we're going to speed through this by the magic of video. Okay, your flash drive is ready now, and we're going to use it on the new machine to boot into a Windows install.